Hello, everyone. Welcome to a thrilling new episode of Immigration Fridays. This is your host, Prashanthi Reddy, and I'm here again to guide you through the ever evolving maze of US immigration law. This month has been a roller coaster ride because of Trump, and he announces new laws every day. So, buckle up and let's dive in to today's episode. Today, we will be discussing about the March Visa Bulletin. So let's go right into it. USCIS has announced that with reference to the March Visa Bulletin, they will be looking at final action date chart. Therefore, to be eligible to file for adjustment of status, your priority date will have to be earlier than the date listed in the preference category and in the country based on the final action date chart. Let's now go into individual categories and see what the progress is there. EB1, India will remain at February 1, 2022. China will remain at November 8, 2022. All other countries will continue to be current. EB2, India will advance by 6 weeks to December 1, 2012. China will advance by 2 weeks to May 8, 2020. All other countries will advance by 6 weeks to May 15, 2023. EB3, India will advance again by 6 weeks to February 1, 2013. China will advance by 1 month only to August 1, 2020. All other countries will remain at December 1, 2022. So no change in EB3 for all other countries. EB3 other workers, again India advances by 6 weeks to February 1, 2013. China remains at January 1, 2017, no advancement. Philippines advances by 5 weeks to January 15, 2021. And all other countries will advance by 2 months to February 1, 2021. EB5, no change. EB5 unreserved categories. China remains at July 2016. India remains at July 1, 2022. And all other countries remain current. Now let's go into the predictions for the April Visa Bulletin and general predictions for the rest of the year. The Department of State confirmed that the total number of green card numbers will be at least 140,000, but they have said that the numbers available will be less than the previous years from 2000 to 2024. So it will be less than 2022, 2023, and 2024 as well. But it will be more than pre-COVID times, so we're expecting it to be around 160 to 165,000. Now, based on the fourth quarter inventory report that USCIS takes out inventory reports every quarter of pending applications. So based on the fourth quarter report for 2024, based on the pending 485 applications, we can see what the general demand is for 485 applications based on how many cases are actually pending. So if you look at pending applications for cases that are not yet current, we'll see that for EB2, the pending applications range, every month it changes. It ranges from about 900,000 to about 1.3 million. For EB3, it ranges from about 500,000 to 563,000. So you can see two things from this. You can see that there are a lot of applications pending. So that's unlikely, and this is only for India, by the way. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that. This is for India. So you can see from this that there is high demand in India for both EB2 and EB3. And so we can expect that there will be limited forward movement in both EB2 and EB3 categories for the coming year. Also, we can note that EB3 is likely to move forward more than EB2 because we see that EB3, there are only 500,000 applications pending, while as in EB2, there are about 900,000 to 1.3 applications pending. So the demand is based on the number of applications that are being filed. Now let's look at the pending cases for 485s where priority dates are available. This will give us an indication of what to expect if your visa number is current. Can you expect that, how quickly can you expect that your 485 will get approved? For EB2 cases, the pending applications range from about 13,000 to 36,000. For EB3 cases, pending applications range from 9,000 to 51,000 every month. So as you can see, it's not guaranteed that your 485 will get approved if your visa number becomes current and remains current only for a month. I think it's important that it remain current for at least a few months so that USCIS can clear its monthly backlog. And with that, it's a wrap for this week's Immigration Friday episode. We know that immigration law is complex, so if you need any legal advice with reference to new policies or with reference to your particular case, please reach out to us at prashanthi@readyesq.com, or you can call us at 212-354-10. Please keep watching and see you next Friday. Thank you.